Hi, I'm Jeremy. Today I'm presenting our high-power wireless and USB adapter, model TEW-645UB. This adapter is up to 2 times more powerful than other wireless N adapters and up to 8 times more powerful than wireless G adapters. It comes with a USB docking base that has a 1.5 meter or 5-foot USB cable. This allows you to position the TEW-645UB in a location that captures the strongest wireless signal. The device supports Windows 2000, XP, and Vista operating systems. Wi-Fi multimedia, or WMM quality of service technology, delivers a premium wireless experience by prioritizing wireless video, audio, and gaming traffic. Wi-Fi certification ensures that it complies with full wireless N specifications. This high-power adapter comes with a generous 3-year warranty and is packed full of advanced features. Enjoy maximum coverage and wireless throughput with TRENDnet's high-power wireless and USB adapter, model TEW-645UB.